Over, ayan. So, as you know, mag-election na tayo for class rep since baka mahuli tayo, yung iba nag-election na. Ngayon, meron akong, kumpleto na ata yung sa A, tsaka, C, tsaka A. Ayan. So, ngayon na tayo mag-start. Supposedly, nakaschedule tayo bukas, pero ngayon na lang. Ayan. Regarding the membership, all NU Laguna Psychology students are automatically members of the NU Laguna Psychology Society, and members are expected to join events and activities, and officers will monitor attendance and participation. So, regarding the roles natin as members of Psychology Society, we have to attend our events, such as we can volunteer sa ating ComEx, sa mga events natin tulad ng Psych Mass, ng Balance Psych, sa Yugto, and other plans pa na ongoing. And ayun, sana makita ko kayong lahat doon at full attendance ang section natin. Ayan. Pressure! Ayan. And alam niyo naman na yun, yung kalakaran natin, meron tayong 50 pesos membership fee. Bawal ang 2 gifts. Ayan, pinapangunahan ko na kayo. Bawal talaga. Ayan, so we will update you na lang for further details. Ayan. Section 12, sa ating CBL, which is yung class representative, ito naman yung roles ng class representative.